What up, guys? Today we're at Bird Island. We got the boat with us. Got my son Dylan, got my brother Eddie, Uncle Eric, Uncle Adriel, Joseph. We're gonna try to get on some redfish and some trout today. Going to a spot towards Baffin Bay, so hopefully we can get on them. We'll see y'all out there. Alright guys, we got some bird action right here. Bunch of birds. Real quick.
Yeah, that sticks right in the
Careful, careful. Oh, wait for Joseph.
There, he's on.
He's on. Ooh. Oh, Eddie got a trout? Nice. See, Ed? The lure. I think that's his first lure fish right there, dude. Throw one, Dill. Here. You do it, you do it. There you go. That's a nice looking slick right there in the middle. You got a bite? When you feel that bite, Dill, you set that hook. I'm gonna get one cast. What did I tell you? The lure. First fish.
Yeah, I guess it's alright.
That trout. That's how you know they take it. But look, on that one you want to like get like a whiplash,
yeah,
and then send it, because that will go far, dude. It'll go really far. All these birds. Oh, Joe, you're on? There you go. Did you lose it? Set it. You gotta set it. What? Oh, Eddie's on. There you go. Bring it in, Ed. You're on. Little trout. Yeah. Is that a keeper? Maybe. It looks like it could be. Oh no, it's not. Dang, I lost my line right here. Still got a little trout. Let him go. Good job, dude. Another little trout?
Yeah.
Third trout?
Yeah.
There you go. It's Eddie's first time using a lure. Already got 3 trout. Good job, good job. As soon as it hit the water, bro. Ah! Everybody's hooking up. Nice, another trout. Yeah. It is fun though. Another trout. We're hitting a bunch of dinkers. That's better than nothing. Oh, nice. That's a fat little one. That might be a keeper. Damn. I'm telling you, got the skipjacks. That could be good cut bait. Up to you. I think we're doing good with the lure. What do you think? Gotta go?
No.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Alright, good in the water. Got Eddie right here. Little deal. Joseph's out there already. Oh! Dude. Or you can stay there for a little bit. Fish on. Look, trout. Dinker. No, it's a dinker. Dinker means like small. Hey, they're here though. We're in a good spot. Let's show trout, guys. We're on the board out here. We gotta get Eddie and Dill on one. When you throw it, let it sink for like 5 seconds and then start popping, you know what I mean? Pop like twice, let it sink. There's some blow-ups out here happening. baby trout. That's a tiny trout. Damn! Damn! It's a tiny trout. Wow, look at this little freaking trout, dude. The PB. Wow. That's crazy, bro. He's nice looking. Look at those, that texture on him. I've never seen that on the top of the trout before. That's nice. What the heck you doing hitting that door, bro? Get out of here. You go grow some more. These guys are walking back to the boat. They haven't got any bites, so maybe they're gonna try a different setup. Dude, look at this massive jellyfish, guys. Oh my god. Bro, there's nothing but dinkers out here, dude. What the heck? It looks like the same exact trout. What's going on? Little trout. Alright guys, some good potholes right here. See if we can get on a bite. Probably another dink. Yep. Little dinker trout, bro. What? This is the third dinker in a row, dude. That's funny. What the heck? Probably still not a keeper though. I have a feeling, man, if I stay right here in this spot, I can get one. Nope. About 13, 2 inches off. Yeah, this is Dinker Central right here. That's at least the 5th freaking baby trout I've caught. Baby trout, do 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 do. Baby trout, do 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 do. Baby trout, mama trout, do 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 do. Mama trout, do 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 do. Hell out of here, hell out. at this redfish spot. Hopefully we can get on one. Let's see. I got a fish on. Joseph is on. What you got, Joseph? Trout? Nice. That's a keeper. You got something? And he got a trout. Nice. yeah, we are back. That's funny. What? Yeah. Trout. Yeah, he's good. Yeah. Yeah. Ooh! You're on, you're on. Oh, don't reel in too fast. He lost it. Hey, but we're on him though. I think there's a little score right here. Let's go, Joseph! Joseph? Hey, dude, Joseph's been killing the trout today, bro. Joseph's freaking the trout slayer, bro. Took a good nap or what? I was worried. I was like, man, is this dude getting dehydrated or something? Yeah, we woke up early. Okay, so as y'all can see, we didn't really catch any, you know, big keepers. Joseph caught a few, and me and Eddie and my son, we caught a lot of little trout. But you know, it's always fun to get out there with some family, especially on Father's Day. You know, with me and my brother being fathers, me and having my son out there was just a plus. So, you know, happy late Father's Day to all you out there, and I hope you enjoyed the video. I appreciate you viewing it, and y'all have a good day.